Hello, so I just wanted to give you a quick video where I just show you how easy it is to assemble and disassemble and reassemble the Juico Uno. In the previous videos I've done where I've made a few recipes, I've mentioned about how easy it is to use and how easy it is to assemble, so I think just showing you a demonstration quickly of taking it apart and putting it back together, you'll understand just how easy it really is. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of juicing later on, so I'll recap at the end and just show you how easy it is to clean, because obviously the juice is clean at the moment. There is a little bit of staining because I did juice turmeric, so I need to get that off, but if you see any marks, that's what it is, turmeric. As we all know, the joy of turmeric. So yeah, there's no need for a dishwasher or anything. The juicer really cleans itself and most of the pulp works its way out, so it literally just needs a rinse. So the parts that we have, we've just got this plunger here, which is, you know, pretty standard. It fits really nicely. I like how it actually fits flush with the top, so it fits really nicely underneath the cabinet. Then we've got what they call the hopper. I call it a lid, but that's just the safety lid that goes on the top. And here is where your fruit and veg goes through. So it's only a little chute, however it's big enough, and taking the time to chop your fruit and veg, it doesn't take that long and you'll get a good quality juice. Then we've just got the squeezing screw inside, which is attached to the juicing screen. Now you can take the juicing screen apart. It's got this little screw inside there, and the juicer comes with a little screwdriver where you just fit that in, and you can take the screen off to give it a more thorough clean. However, I've found that just rinsing the screw is enough. Now that fits in there so simple and comes out so simply, and it's just one piece, which is really good. And then you've just got the juicing bowl. So this is the bowl that captures everything in there. It just slots really nicely onto the juicer base there, and it's just got a little plug there to stop the pulp from coming through, but makes it easy to clean out. So when you're cleaning, you just open that up. Really simple. So that's it, literally a couple of parts. So to put it back together, you've just got a juicing bowl, slots on, really simple, and there's no wrong way you could put that, it's really easy to go on. Then in goes the juicing screw, and then the safety lid, literally just slots on. There's a couple of dots to line up here, so you line your lid up with the dots there, and then an arrow pointing the way to turn, really easy. And then the pusher, simple. So I don't think you could get an easier assembly. I've used a couple of juices in the past, and usually within the juicing bowl you have the screw is separate to the juicing screen, so that's two parts, and then you usually also have a screen which rotates inside to push juice and pulp out. So that does make a couple more parts. I've found so far this is the quickest juicer I've ever cleaned. So I've really just used the Juico Uno to make a lovely green juice, and as you can see, there's pulp left in the juicer there. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to clean. Before taking the juicer to the sink to wash, I'm just going to pour some water through the juicer just to get rid of any pulp. So that's cleaned out most of the pulp. There you go. I've just taken the juicer apart now. So I've got all my parts here, and there's hardly any pulp on the screen itself, and just a little bit gathered in the juicing bowl, juice basket. But literally all it needs is a swirl. There's some fairy liquid, juicing lid, hardly any pulp on there. Clean. Plunger. Reducing screw. It just comes with a little brush, so you can give the screen a little brush to make sure there's nothing caught in the sieve. And if you wanted, you could take the whole thing apart by taking the screen from the screw. However, you can see if it needs a thorough clean, and it looks really clean to me. Just in bold, a little bit of pulp in the exit. Okay. A little soap in there. Now that was a real thorough clean. You could have literally just rinsed it. Spotless. Simple. Now looking at my timer, that took 2 minutes. So there we have it.